Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. Again we have come up with the new exciting phones for you and the new gadgets for you. This time I'm going to explain about Black Shark Gaming Phone 2, which is Xiaomi is launching its new phone Black Shark 2. Now let's see some of its specifications. Its display is AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, and the benefits of AMOLED screen is less power consuming and highly efficient for gaming. Also, it has 6.39 inches size and 1080 into 2340 pixels, and Android 9.05, which is its operating system, and the latest version of 9.05 is installed in it. Its chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon with octa-core processor. And if we talk about its memory, no card slot is there, but 256GB ROM and 8 to 12GB RAM is available. And with 128GB ROM, 6 to 8GB RAM is available. Its main camera is available in two different pixels. The first main is 48 megapixel and the second is 12 megapixel. Its selfie camera is 20 megapixel. Now the speed of charging is with fast charging 27 watt. USB 2.0 Type-C. Its dimensions and its weights are on the screen. Dimensions are 163.6 into 75 into 8.8 and the weight is 205 grams. And on the screen also it has direct touch liquid cooling 3.2, which reduces the core temperature by up to 14 degrees Celsius. And in ludicrous mode, experience the smoothest gaming with a battery smooth frame rates with the world's lowest latency touch. If you want to see the more details and the specification of this phone, you can see it from the official site of. Let me show you how. This is the official site. Of on the screen. Here you can see that all the information and all the necessary details is on the screen. Now I'll show you Black Shark 2 Pro Kit. Here you can see that all the Pro Kits is on your screen. Its overview. This is the protective case of the Black Shark 2. This is the gaming and the control pad, which can attach on the sides of the phone, which is images on the screen. The left side and the right side are the gaming pads of this phone. And here the gaming pads, they can connect with the Bluetooth, also infinitely customizable according to your size. The protective case is there. Without this protective case, you can't attach the gaming pads to the phone. This is all for today's tutorial. If you have any query, you can comment in the comment box or mail us at nurtour@gmail.com. Also, you can follow us at Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.